Habari zenu? Hapa. Yes. Sasa mambo ya ajali ya Mungu aleta nature. Tunajaribu. Unajua Nairobi yetu imekaa hivi. Hivi wote mnaumia upande huu. Lakini mko salama. Salama. Clearing and forwarding. So all these people clearing and forwarding. Yes. Ndio kazi imenoga. Yeah, kabisa. Nikiona at least watu kiasi wanafanya job, inasaidia sana. Tunaomba asante sana.
We are still outside opposite cargo center in the drainage right inside. You
guys understand what's happening here? You don't know what's happening here? Because that is actually the explanation of why we had a problem. Yeah? So you are saying this place is a security issue.
Yes. Yeah, most of our tunnels, especially this area,
this one, yeah. Because it will allow stowaways to go to.
So they can access to this area.
Yeah.
Because you see the way the other one and this one,
yeah.
from outside there,
yeah.
you can access, then you access the other one up to where to the air side.
Yes. So those people who hang on a plane, they can easily swim through here to the air side. Yeah. So here was blocked for security reasons. Okay. So now balancing between security and the day. So in a way that whenever it rains, you can pull it up. Oh, so they can pull from there. Yes. So we have a flat. Yeah. Okay.
And for security reasons, we had a meeting with all the security agencies. They have put measures on ground. Yeah. Actually, like currently, these areas are being manned. All of them are being manned. Then we have also dedicated a special vehicle.
When it's raining, you put security measures.
Until we put what the engineer decided.
So inevitably, because of this, it's good. Is that the reason why also on the lower side we had that was the one. It was still attributed to the blockage here. So when debris comes in Ashika there, is it a mesh? What is it? It's actually a grain. It's not a grain. That's a grain. Okay. Yeah. And you can see the battery which were removed from it. Yeah. Were they waiting for us? You are lucky that didn't reach the one meter to make up.
But the river brings water here is along that wall. That's where the main drainage.
The drainage? So the spillover that we got inside had to go up here. That was high. Yeah, so then this could have been some 1.2 meters higher.
And the river is that one all the way to Mombasa Road and National Park.
Also the drainage is here.
Yeah, it's here, it's down here.
How big is this drainage? How big? Just from the other side. Yeah. Where is that particular? Mitchell was red flag. But other than the problem the area, the investments were really much. You know, most investors travel, they know the factor, but this part is the one that generates revenue and employment. What we want to do now Kenya, Nairobi County, and Machakos County to do now a master plan for drainage for the next 50 years. We don't have to do it because we are limited climate change, but also the construction is blocking a lot of drain water in particular. Yeah, we will go to 1C. Let's go to the roof.
Fine.
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.